Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear storage in iCloud. Let's start. So I'm going to show you how it's done using your iPhone. How you're going to do it is you go to your settings app. Once you click on that one, click or tap on the name that's showing in there, is your Apple ID at the topmost part of the screen. Once you tap your name, you would be led to a page wherein you would have choices. You pick or select iCloud that's in there. Once you select iCloud, you will be led to this page, and this is where you will have options. This is where you could actually see how much storage you have on your iCloud. So in my case, you could see that I've almost utilized or used up all my free 5 GB from my iPhone. So all you need to do is just do a manage account storage. So when you click on manage account storage, you would be able to see um, what are those applications that you have on your iPhone that's eating up your space. So in my on my iPhone right now, if I would want to clear the storage, there's actually ways for you to do that, but I think Apple at the same time just want to make sure that you just don't clear up your storage right then and there. It has to be secured. So for instance, for photos, what I would want is to turn off and delete from iCloud. So if I will do that, this would actually free up or clear up some of the storage that I have. And then it would actually take some time before it would sync. If I look at my backups, it seems that I have some documents here that's eating up this much. So if I'm checking this one, I could turn off and delete that one. And then until you would be able to clear your storage by removing all these apps that's actually synced to your iCloud. In terms of other things on how you would be able to, check other apps, just make sure, guys, that you double check before you would actually clear and delete. So just to make sure that you won't remove any important apps when you clear your storage. So there. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.